Hello, my name is Sean and this is Cruise Through Life. Today we're going to discuss 9 things that can upgrade your cruise bathroom experience. The first item on our list, or really the first 2 items on our list, are less about the cruise line itself and more about your flight prior to the ship. That first item being toothpaste tablets. Did you know that you can get toothpaste as a tablet? I didn't before doing some research on this. You just pop it in your mouth, bite down on it, and start brushing. The cool thing about this is you can actually get most of your toiletries as solids, which means you don't actually have to pull out liquids during the TSA security check. I also like this particular toothpaste tablet because it is made with all natural ingredients, which is also something I try to use at home. The next item on this list, keeping with the same lines as the first one, is shampoo and conditioner bars. Now, I personally think that the provided toiletries are usually good enough for the time you're on board, but if you're picky about it, this is actually some nice shampoo and conditioner in a solid bar, so there's no need to pull it out at security and it doesn't go towards a liquids limit. I like both of these items because when I'm flying, even if it's not for a cruise, I hate having to keep my liquids separate from the rest of my toiletry bag, pull it out during security. I just want to have an easy pass through security and onto my flight, and this saves a lot of hassle. Now, traveling with bar soap comes with its own set of problems, right? You have to ensure it's kept separately from the other items in your luggage, especially if it's wet from your shower that morning coming off of your cruise ship. So there's this little soap bag that you can put it in, and it has what they call dry-through technology, which allows the bar of soap to dry sealed in the bag, and it doesn't make a mess in the rest of your luggage. I know people who have used this. I personally haven't yet, but I am definitely going to pick this up for my next cruise, along with a few other items, so please subscribe to my channel to see future cruise haul videos. This next item, you have to be a little careful when deciding which ones to buy, and that is shower steamers. Now, these little tablets you place in your shower, and they are infused with essential oils, and it basically gives you the experience of the aromatherapy showers in the spa. These are fairly small and inexpensive, especially compared to spa prices on board, so if this is something that you're into, it's a great option. Now, I did say you have to be careful about which ones you buy, and that is because some of these steamers have solid bits in them, like sprigs of rosemary, and you really don't want that going down your drain on a cruise ship. The plumbing is very sensitive, and it is best to avoid anything solid going down your drain. Our next item is probably a very important one, especially if you are sharing a cabin with someone, and that is Poo-Pourri. Now, cruise ship bathrooms are quite small and poorly ventilated, so odors can linger for quite a while. Poo-Pourri is a little spray that you use inside the toilet before you go, and this helps prevent your bathroom from turning into a gas chamber, if you know what I mean. It's inexpensive and lasts a while, so it's a good thing to bring along. The next item on our list is laundry sheets. Now, you won't need these for every cruise, but if you're doing a longer sailing and don't want to pay for laundry on the ship or don't have the loyalty status to get free laundry, you can bring these solid laundry detergent sheets and just hand wash your items in your bathroom sink. There are clotheslines in the showers that you can use to dry your clothes on, or if you have magnet hooks, if you have some extras, you can hang them up to dry on those. These are nice and similar to the toothpaste, shampoo, and conditioner. These are not liquids and don't count against the TSA liquid limit or need to be taken out of your bag during security. Now, I know I just told you about 3 items on this list to avoid taking liquids, and personally, I think that's the best goal, but some people actually like to take liquid hand soap from home for their cruise ship cabins. The cruise line will provide you with a bar of hand soap in the bathroom, but a lot of people don't like this and prefer to bring liquid hand soap, which, as long as you're driving to your port or it's under the amount for the TSA limit, it's fine. I personally prefer the foaming hand soap, but I don't bring this with me. I just use what's provided on the ship. If there are other things that you just absolutely need to bring that are liquids, but they don't come in travel sizes or are difficult to find in travel sizes, you can consider something like these leak-proof refillable toiletry bottles. They are fairly easy to fill from your full-size container at home and meet the TSA guidelines. These can be a great way to bring your preferred toiletries from home, even if they don't come in travel sizes. Our final item for today is shower weights. Now, not all bathrooms have shower curtains on cruise ships anymore. In fact, I believe that most of them have doors now. But occasionally you run into one that does have a shower curtain, and being honest, the showers in cabins are small, and there's not a lot of anything holding that curtain in place. So it usually gets stuck to you, and it's a whole fun, unpleasant mess. So what you can do is use these little shower curtain weights They're magnets, so you just clip them together with the curtain in the middle, and they help to hold the shower curtain where it should be instead of stuck to you. If you're interested in any of the things I've talked about in this video, I do have links for everything in the description and the pinned comments down below. These are not affiliate links, I'm just passing on recommendations from myself and other places I read on the internet. So if you bring any of these items, let me know in the comments below. I do read all the comments, and I hope to see you on board sometime soon.